Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to delete your Wattpad Wattpad account permanently on your phone. For that, go on your search engine and then open your Wattpad. For that, go and open your search engine and open your Wattpad website, and then press on this three dot here and scroll a bit till you see this desktop site. Open this and desktop site and zoom a bit and scroll on top, and on top you can see your profile icon. Tap there and go on settings, and here you can see close account button on the bottom area. Tap there and you can see need to give a reason to close your account. Here press and tap on the reason you want to select and tap on this continue and read and now it is important to read everything and press on. And now it's important to read everything here because it is permanent. You cannot reverse this thing. And after reading everything, tap on this close account, and after reading this, tap on this I confirm and I want to close my account, and tap on close account. This way you can close, or let's say permanently delete, your Wattpad account from your phone. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.